Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got Novus in the building. And if you have not heard of this guy, listen, go check out this guy. He does awesome work on watch faces. He's located in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called NG03. It's a nice digital watch face. The guy got down on this one. And in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3. Now, they're going to differ from the Gears 2 and the Gears 3, but you'll still get your digital time, your step status at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the look of this. I like the layout, I like the design. 2 thumbs up in the door for this developer for creativity. I think he did really good with this one. And I like the way it stands out because the background adds a lot of character to the watch face, gives it a nice look, and you'll get your date up here. Name of the watch face there. Nice big bold digital time that I love. All your step status info. So you get your steps, heart rate, miles walked or ran, calories burned. Here you get your battery info, and the watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, I can bring up my calendar. I mean, you got so many places around the watch face that you can tap on in order to get to different things within this watch face. Get your email. Over here, you're going to get your music player. If I can get it to go, your music player, and you got other areas, messages here, you can make a phone call there. He added a lot of conveniences to the watch face, which I love, and you can also change the color theme. So if I double tap, I can change the color theme to 5 different colors of my liking. I like it, people. I thought he did great. Question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know. And listen, people, remember, hump day, we'll get over it. If you like the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.